Books are falling over.
Oh no!
All right, what are we doing?
We had a catastrophe happen.
More trash?
Oh my god.
So much trash. Why is Tara so trashy? Is Tara a trashy folk?
Tara is the trashiest.
Whew. Okay, so today's agenda, we have oil change for the van.
Well, state inspection for the van.
Right,
Possible
state inspection, oil change, because we're leaving Virginia on Sunday. So we want to go ahead and get the sticker updated.
Right.
So I'm driving the truck with the littles. You're taking this thing and dropping it off, and then I'm going to grab you and we're going to go Christmas decoration shopping.
Well, there aren't a ton of stores in Gloucester, which is good, but we're gonna go to Walmart because we love Walmart, and we're gonna go to, I think, maybe Marshall's. What's over? No, TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
TJ Maxx is over there.
PJ Masks. PJ Masks.
No,
Wait.
TJ Maxx.
Oh, sorry.
What? TJ Maxx. And we'll check out what they have. You know, you never know what you're gonna find there. Yeah. I need to go buy the trash can.
Okay. They are freshly
bag.
emptied. So,
Yeah.
all right, let's hit the road.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Holy cow, guys. Totally forgot that it was Black Friday. We were not able to film in Walmart. It was bumper to bumper people. And we had the littles with us, and they just wanted to see all of the things that were on sale because they were all out in the aisles. So, we're back home now, and we are going to kind of take care of an area that has been bugging me. We've organized it a couple of times already, but it's still really not working for us. It's these cabinets and cupboards behind me. There's homeschool stuff in there. There are books in there. We keep some snacks in there. What else is in there? There's just random stuff in there. We need to pull it all out and reorganize.
Okay, first things first. Alexa, play Christmas music. The bottom cabinet.
Yes.
Wowzers.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. So I already started some piles. I know these are to go. I love these puzzles. I had them when I was teaching, and the littles like them, but the pieces just get everywhere, and they don't do them enough to warrant keeping them, and they take up a bit of space. They're big. So I'm going to donate those, and there are a couple of other things in this pile. I have a question pile. These could be put in a different place, in a better place. I don't know. What are we going to do about the Legos?
Consolidate.
Well, do you have a smaller box of them somewhere?
No. Well, I think just the yellow tub would be fine.
That's all we have.
Oh, then, yeah. Books are falling over.
Oh no!
All right, what are we doing?
We had a catastrophe happen.
So, we've got a pile over there for donating things.
Some of them are to donate.
Okay, so let's get that out of the way and outside. Maybe we can move, because we had a ton of board games. I had an entire collection in the house, and I distributed them amongst my friends
And family.
and kept ones that we could play on the road, because these are games that are better for younger kids, especially Dragonwood, which is an awesome one. So maybe we can move the games into that paper box, because it's bigger, because they don't really fit in here, and Dragonwood.
Okay.
And there's also, I think that's Resistance there. So, yeah, so let's see if we can get the games all in that box. And then they're all in one box, and we know that box fits in there.
Right. Okay.
So let's do that. All right, phase one. Aaron's got a stack there for donation things. We've got much less to go back in the cabinet. I got all the games in this one box.
Minus one.
Well, minus this one. That one takes up some space.
Yeah.
I got rid of some dice boxes. That tote is now empty.
Woohoo!
We've got fans over here that we don't need anymore. So we've got a lot less to go in the bottom.
Yes.
So now we need to decide, does the same stuff go in the bottom and the same stuff go back in the top?
That I'm not sure of. I don't like the idea of having food low.
No, definitely not.
For little creatures and little creatures to get into. So food has to go back up on the top. And we do need that space up there for food, right?
Yes.
Like we can't use that for food and like move some of that stuff over here.
I like putting stuff up there because it's shallower.
Okay.
You don't have to pull.
Behind.
Well,
I understand.
You don't have to pull things out to get other things.
Okay, so I like the books on the bottom because they're heavy.
Yeah.
So I think stuff's going to go back where it was, but there'll be more space to maybe move some things down here.
Yeah.
Like maybe some of the homeschool stuff can go down here.
It was originally, wasn't it?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Okay. Well, let's see what fits in there, and then we'll assess the top side. Because we haven't reduced the top side yet. We just pulled the bottom out.
It was easy to just stay down here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Is there stuff from the top that could go on the bottom?
Probably.
Okay.
Let's figure that out.
Let's see that out.
This is exactly why we're not keeping these foam puzzles. Look at all these pieces. Look at this. There's only one of them. They're going to empty all of these, and it's going to be a nightmare to put them back together. So we'll let them play with them one last time, and then they're going out the door. Floor's clear.
Floor's clear.
Yep. All stuff on the floor's gone, so it's either already outside to go to Goodwill or in the trash. And then bottom, it actually looks pretty similar to the way it was before. However,
there's less stuff.
When you get over to the right side,
empty
space.
Let's get stuff back in.
Yep, let's figure that out. Let's sort our snacks and stuff, and then.
Can all of your bins fit in here, down here, and then we just put all the snacks up top instead of just like having the snacks
right
up and down here? We just put all snacks on the top.
Probably.
Let's try that.
All right.
On the top allowed us to not have to like shove it into just these two sections.
Yeah, we didn't even have to double stack, so we got plenty of room. I mean, we have chips and stuff over on the other side. I might move those.
Put up here.
Yeah.
Because we're kind of double stacked over there a bit with our chips and.
Yeah, and it's a little bit of a struggle on the other side because we have more of these containers, and then so when you put a chip bag on top, it kind of like you can't pull stuff out of it.
Right.
Yeah.
And this kind of is like our snack stuff, and that's more food to prepare for dinners and lunches and stuff.
And breakfast is over there.
So, yeah, I think moving the chips over here and maybe my like cheesy crackers will be good.
Yep.
Let's do that. The chips have been moved. We still have plenty of space. Brian and I can both reach these, but little hands can't, so they'll have to ask to get snacks. I think we're done. I feel a lot better, especially about this.
Yeah.
So, we'll see how it works. We'll keep you posted on how functional it is. Thanks for watching. Show us a little bit of love and hit that little like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you really love this video and hit the little bell for notifications so you won't miss one. If you like this video so much, go check out our Patreon page, patreon.com/5to-go. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.